Yo, what's going on guys? Kaale here, back again with another tutorial for you today. We've got this super flowy trick. Here's what it will look like from my perspective. That's the whole trick. Yeah, it's not too hard, it's not too easy. So I hope you have fun learning it. Two things before we get into this video. Going to be using the Edge Beyond, and this video is sponsored by yoyo UK, so you can pick up all of their amazing yo-yos and use code Kieran5 for 5% off. Okay, now let's get into this tutorial. So you're going to start by rolling into a 1.5 mount like so, and then also making sure to do the pinky ring finger pinch like that. And then you're going to drop this string off of your non-throw hand index finger, making sure it goes like around your wrist almost like that. So it should like come into contact with your thumb like so. Then you're going to undercut the yo-yo so that it pushes out, and you should be an amount that looks like this. From here you're going to pinch this and roll it over your non-throw hand index finger, and then roll in like you're rolling into like a 1.5 mount or just a mount to bind. From here you're going to drop this string off your finger and also like stop the string from just going neutral with your thumb. So altogether that should look like this. So from here you're going to underpass this string like so and dismount the yo-yo. So from here you're going to pinch with your throw hand, thumb and index finger like so, and you should see a slack form. And then you're going to roll into this and then roll the slack in so that the string connected to your middle finger goes into the back of the yo-yo like so from that side. So you should be in like what is essentially a kamikaze but just crossed over. From here you're going to swing over and go over both fingers like so, and then you should be in a mount that look, or not a mount, but you should be in something that looks like this, where it's essentially like under or nothing, but like that. And then you're going to drop the slack into the string like that by just throwing the slack down. That's the whole of the first bit. And then to finish it, so from here you're going to throw the slack down, and then you're going to get like a little whip going by just putting your pointer underneath the string, and then you're going to whip round whilst also dismounting the yo-yo. So that should look like this. From here you're going to cross your arms and then pop up, and then as you're popping up you're going to uncross your arms so you land in an under or nothing. And then from here you're just going to perform a basic tension hook like so, and then you're free to bind however you'd like. So that's the whole trick. Hope you understand it. I'll go over it one more time for you and then you'll be on your way. So you're going to start by rolling into a 1.5 mount and dropping it into a keychain. Then you're going to underpass, roll into this other mount, underpass again, throw into a fake kamikaze, fling round, drop, drop, under or nothing, fake hook, roll and bind. That's the whole trick. So anyway, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments down below, or you can message me at Kieran on Instagram. Otherwise, yeah, peace.